Hello, I am Dr. Sunil Digre, Head of Aerospace Engineering Department of MIT School of Engineering, MIT ADT University. Welcome to the Aerospace Engineering Department. Aerospace engineering is a highly specialized branch of mechanical engineering that deals with design, development and manufacturing of aircrafts and spacecrafts. Air traffic is increasing and the number of space explorations are also increasing, and hence demand of aerospace engineers. Aerospace engineers also have scope in automobile industries, windmills, turbo machinery industries, and in the domain of computational fluid dynamics. The top recruiting agencies are ISRO, NASA, HAL, NAL. Most of the original equipment manufacturing companies like Boeing, GE are establishing their manufacturing facilities in India, and already they have established their design offices. There are possibilities of recruitment in government agencies like HAL, NAL, DRDO, and the private industries in India like Bharat Forge Aerospace, Godrej Aerospace, Mahindra Aerospace. This aerospace industry in India is fastest growing in the world. At present, we are offering two courses, BTech in Aerospace Engineering and PhD in Aerospace Engineering, and in near future we will be offering MTech and integrated MTech programs. The department has 12 well-equipped laboratories in the domains of aircraft structures, aircraft propulsion, aerodynamics, rocket propulsion. Rocket propulsion laboratory is perhaps first of its kind in India for UG studies. We also have a dedicated computer lab with softwares like Creo, AutoCAD, ANSYS, MATLAB. Coming to the best practices of the department offers guidance for higher studies and GATE preparations. In GATE 2020, 4 students have secured excellent All India ranks. Our 6 students have secured admissions in reputed foreign universities like International Space University, Purdue, University of Wurzburg, and Kingston University. 2 students have secured admission with scholarship for the program in satellite technology in University of Wurzburg. MIT ADT University is nodal center for IIRS, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, ISRO, and students and faculty members can attend the programs offered by this institute. Project-based learning is very important, and students are exhibiting excellent performance in academic as well as research projects. Students are working on multidisciplinary research project funded by ARDE and Indian Council of Agricultural Research. One more group is working on space mission in collaboration with Tech Mahindra. The faculty members and students are publishing their research in journals. Recently, they have published more than 20 journal papers, and the faculty members have published 7 copyrights, 7 textbooks, 2 patents. About 90% students are undergoing internship in reputed industries like ARDE, DRDO, TCS, BDL, FACC, Bharat Forge Aerospace, and the students have been placed in companies like Paras Defense, TCS, KTEL, 12 Techno Services, CAE Analyzer, etc. 2 students have registered their startup and started the operations. The department has significant industry connects and signed MOUs with most of them. Aerospace Engineering Department has also academic collaborations with Ariel University, Israel, IT Carlo, Ireland, BITS, MESRA, and Redbird Flight Training Academy, Delhi. You are welcome to the Aerospace Engineering Department of MIT ADT University. Join this program for the best career opportunities. Thank you.